welcome back to today I'm showing you how to make your own decal for Roblox Bloxburg. So all you have to do is just get anything. I just searched up cute wallpaper. I got these cute marshmallows. All you want to do is right click and then just press oh no, I did the wrong thing. Alright, so all you want to do is right click on the picture and just save image as. Then it should come up with here and you save image. Will come up, you can make it anything. I'll just be like Roblox. I'm just gonna do it Roblox. And I'll just do cute wallpaper. Alright, so I'm just gonna call it cute wallpaper. And I'm gonna make it, don't just make it all files, you wanna make it PNG, okay? Then you wanna save it. Then what you wanna do is go into your Roblox account. Okay, so now you're in your Roblox account, go into, if you press these lines here, go into inventory. And then, go into create and then press decals. So you want to create a decal. And then you can see I've made some. You can press choose file and just do the name. So I made it, what did I do it? Cute wallpaper. Cute wallpaper and .png, you'll press that, you want to open it and then it'll come up over here, upload, this one should work, yep, let it upload and it would say decal successfully created, and then now if you come here, you have your decal that you made, that is really cool. So now what you can do is if you go into your inventory, don't mind, you can't see the photo yet. If you go into inventory, you can go into decals, and these are all the decals that I've made. I've made bags, I've made love, I made a cloud, I made cute wallpaper. And if you want to look at any of my one, you have to type the code. Wait, what happened with that? Okay, so all you have to do is type, and it'll tell you what to type. You type decal. But if you want to find the one that I have, the name would be at the top. So you just have to search up. Jackie. Just search up Jackie Arab 9, and it should come up the decal I made for my other one to just like this. If you want to find the bag, just search up bag for YouTube and it should come up. So yeah, it's really easy. Definitely recommend it because it's really simple and easy. So next is if you want, I'm going to show you, so this is wallpaper. Next is background for your computer and Google theme. So if you want to know how I made this marble as my background, yeah, if you really want to know how I made this marble as my background, I'm going to show you. So all you have to do is have to fix up the camera. All you have to do is come into, see this little E at the bottom? Look, I'll move my head. See where my head is on top? You see the E here down at the bottom? Just you want to press that. Press that E thing. So just press it so you can open a new tab. And then if you look, let me just put this a little bit up. If you look, and it'll say search anything you want. So I love my rose gold background. That's all you have to search up, and then go into images. Oh no, what happened? It's okay. So then go into images and find you'll find really nice rose gold backgrounds. So I'll choose one that's really nice. They literally that you can set it as unicorn, you can set it as anything you want. So I think I'm just gonna set it up. Oh my goodness. I'll be back when I find the one that I want to actually set up. Because I don't know what I really want. I don't know what I really want. Oh, this one's nice. Okay, so I like this one. What does it say? Oh my goodness. It takes a pretty long time to load. So now I've got my one now. All you want to do is right click. And it will say like, it will have like, save picture as, email picture, and go to my picture. And then it will also have set as background. You'll press that. You'll press yes. Now if you add this, your background has been set as whatever you want. Now I'll show you how to set your Google background. I've done mine Galaxy. All you have to do is just search up Google theme. Search up Google theme and do the first one. I'll highlight it for you. Google Chrome. So just do the first one that comes. Oh, the first one that comes up. You'll definitely do that one. Press it. Then it'll come up with all of these cute little things. So you can do blue. You can do. I just missed. You can do whatever you want. You can do weird creatures. You can do just normal colors. You can do galaxy, pink, Barbie pink, whatever you want to do. You can do cool like sunset kind of things, islands, whatever you want to do. Now I think I'll change my one to this one, the flying paint. I really like one. So all you have to do is get in there and say add to Chrome. You want to add it to Chrome. You're going to do it. You'll be checking everything. Okay. It's checking to make sure that it can be added to your Chrome thingy-majig. And then it'll say add it to Chrome. All you have to do is cancel out of everything, come back to Google, and you have your amazing Google added thing. Oh my god, I love it, but I like the one that comes up here, so I think I'll change it back to the Galaxy one I had. Google theme. So I don't know, up to you guys. So that's how you do your Roblox decal, your background on computer, and your Google theme on computer. Hope you like this. Are you literally not gonna let me do this? Okay. So let's see, what was the one I had? Mine was that literally covered up the whole thing. Okay, found it. So this is the one that I got, Nebula. Yep, Nebula, that's the one I have that one. So I just like it because it covers like all up here. It's just really pretty. Now you can search up unicorn. Definitely come up with unicorn background things. Yes. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.